Hi folks, myself Raj. Welcome to our channel Code Shack. Thanks to everyone for watching our podcast show. And today is episode number 8. Our discussion topic is financial problems and general problem solving solution. So let's start. Have you ever experienced a financial problem? Do you feel like finances are holding you back from reaching your goals? Then this podcast might give you a brief overview of the general problem solving process and how to deal with the most common financial problems. First, let's start to take a look on some general problem solving processes that you can apply to any situation, whether financial or non financial. First thing to do is to identify the problem that you are facing. The first step in solving a problem is to identify it. What exactly do you need to overcome? I will share you some common financial problems people may face, like lack of income or job loss, unexpected expenses, too much debt, need for financial independence, overspending, or lack of budget, bad credit, or lack of savings. When thinking about this common problem, each one falls into one of three areas like you may need more money, you may need to reduce your debt, or you may need to change how you spend. So you need to make a plan. What are the steps you need to take in order to overcome the problem? Probably you might not be sure from where to start on. So let's discuss some common problems. The problem number one, you need more money. Might be you have lost your job or made an unexpected expenses or working on becoming more financially independent. So a form of income is necessary. So you have to look for additional work or probably may just a better paying job or start some freelancing or some side hustles so that you may or can generate extra cash or income or high income, as money can solve your the need for money. So as you get more income or if you are adding some extra cash from your side hustles, it might able to solve your money problem. Then problem number two, you need to reduce your debt with high interest or the need to live paycheck to paycheck. High debt can be a big problem. Sometimes it feels like climbing a never ending mountain with an invisible peak. However, by prioritizing and negotiating your debt, you can make it more manageable. Try listing all your debt and interest rate associated with each of your credit or your loans. Focus on paying off the ones with the highest interest rate first. Uh, then if you are having problem in making payment or having trouble in making payment, you can call the lender and see if they can offer you any solution for, or any kind of help they can do so that you can overcome the situation. Probably the lender may be able to lower your interest rate or offer a temporary forbearance to help you get back on your feet. Or if you need more help in tackling your debt, you may need to ask for a debt counselor or plan for a consolidated loan. Then the problem number three, you need to change how you spend. Going from financial problems to a healthy financial status often requires organization and a shift in thinking. Avoid overspending. Try building your savings and gain financial independence, as this can often be accomplished with some good spending habits, like thinking of trying to create a budget, There are many templates and resources available on Google. You can just get one and try to create a budget for you. Sticking to one can be challenging, but simply having a budget laid out can help you see where you start spending less. In addition to your budget, create a savings plan. Start out small, even stoning away an extra dollar or two here, here and there. That can make a big difference. Yeah, you might think like $1 or $2 will make what change, but trust me, in the long run, those $1 and $2 might help you out. And also try placing your savings in a place where you cannot access easily, like uh, a savings account in a small credit union where there is no online access, as we know that the more difficult it is to access your money, the less likely you are to spend it. Then try to implement a plan. This step actually puts the plan you created in place. While it sounds fairly straightforward, but this is actually the most difficult step. It requires self discipline and perseverance. The most important part of this step is to know that if your plan doesn't work, or if you're having difficulty uh, or facing difficulty uh, in sticking to your plan, then do not worry, as all is not lost. If it happens, move on to the next step, evaluate your plan, and repeat the process. And keep repeating until your plan is successful. Overcoming financial obstacles may require changing your lifestyle, and this does not happen overnight. However, just having a plan itself can help you, give you confidence and reassurance that you can eventually overcome whatever is in your way. Then I would say evaluate the plan that you created. Probably this can be the last step, but it might actually occur simultaneously and with implementing the plan. Like things happen and circumstances change. So you need to reevaluate your plan as it is happening. Perhaps you have learned more along the way and realize that your plan was incomplete, or maybe your plan went as planned and was a success. No matter whatever the circumstances, it always good idea to look back and reevaluate. And I will share you some questions. You might ask yourself these questions to reevaluate yourself. Like, was the problem solved? Did a new problem arise? What went right? Then what went wrong? What circumstances changed? Was there anything you didn't account for? What was easy about implementing your plan? What was difficulty about implementing your plan? See, financial obstacles can often seem very crippling and impossible to overcome. They often create a significant source of uh, financial anxiety. But there's always a way to address these obstacles and build a better financial future. It may not happen overnight, but with patience and persistence, you can take steps to strengthen your financial outlook and put these challenges in a rearview mirror. So that's everything for today. We want all our viewers to have a successful financial life. Hopefully, you guys like today's video. Please keep watching our podcast and keep sharing. We will try to bring in more financial topic that will help you to save uh, from your borrowing and also keep you one step ahead from your lenders. Have a wonderful rest of your week. Thank you.